Welcome back. We are now going to look at Google Drive, and we can do that by going into the Google Docs dashboard, going to the main menu, and then clicking on the link that says Drive. Those who engage in mobile technology are probably familiar with Google Photos, the fact that you can save your photos to your cloud drive, also the fact that you can upload documents to Google Drive. For example, if you wanted to upload a document to be stored, all you would need to do is go to the top menu, click the Upload Files, find the appropriate document. In this case, we're going to upload a zip file, and then we're going to click Open. That will then upload the document to your Google Drive. And you'll see that zip file now here. What you can do also is to make the content organized. We can do that by going to the My Drive link and then creating a new folder. We can create a new category and you'll see that folder in your dashboard. And what you can begin to do is you begin to place documents into this folder. You can do that by dragging the document into the folder. And what you'll find when you go and open the folder, that those two documents will be there. So we're going to go back to our cloud drive and we're going to highlight one of the features that cloud drive does give you. And what you can do with this folder is you can make the folder shareable. So for example, we can then right click this folder. We can click the share button. And then we can choose the individuals that we are going to share this content with. We can determine what the individuals can do with the documents. In this particular case, they can either view or they can organize, add, or edit. Now, one of the things that we can also do is we can use the advanced features. And in using the advanced features, what we can do is have it so that editors cannot change access or add new people. And this is an added level of security once we actually give access to a folder on our cloud drive. We can click Save Changes and the individual will automatically get an email giving them access to this folder. So let's click Save Changes. And then we will click Send. Now you'll notice now that this document is now in the inbox of the person that you were sharing with. We're going to click Open. And now we will see that they have access to this particular folder, but they don't have access to any other folders. Now, what would happen if they attempted to add someone else to this folder? So for example, they went to the folder and then they went to share the folder. You'll notice that the sharing settings are such that no one else can actually be given access to the folder or the documents in it, so that the actual limitations that were placed on that folder actually worked correctly when we placed them. So we're going to go ahead and click Done. And now we're going to head back to the Google Drive. Now, one other item that we can work with when we are doing collaborative work is that we can actually search our drive to find out what it is that we actually want. And we can use the drive just as we would any other searching mechanism inside of Google. And we can typically find a document just by placing some of the letters in, and we'll be given hints on how we can find the document. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.